You guys are ready for this has never happened before, story time. Brute Farce was making a noise from a hard takeoff. Get on the throttle hard, it start to knock or tick really loud, like it's detonating its brains out or a rod knock. Only do it on hard takeoff. That's it, no other time. Checked everything, flex plate, checked anything for rattles. Can't believe it could be internal. So I took the belt off and it quit making a noise. So this morning I took the fan off. Guess what was making a rod knock noise? The clutch for the fan. Not loose, no play in it, nothing. But when you stomp the throttle from a stop, when the fan was trying to catch up with the engine, it sounded just like a rod knock. So always expect the unexpected.